Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this small video about Euro-Aussie and Pound Aussie trade that I opened on Thursday. And I said that I will let you guys know what happened to those entries, if they went in my way or SL hit, and what did I do with that. So I said I'm gonna show it to you guys, right? So here I am. Let me show you the entries that I took. These were the two entries. Euro Aussie, see, it was short going down here. So it was a perfect setup. And I opened the trade SL, need to be adjust. So usually my SL is 25 pip, hard 25 pip, always calculated exact 25 pip, right? And if it hit full, then I lose 25 pip. And if not, let's say it start to move a little bit, and then I move my SL a little bit. And sometimes my SL hit like 15 pip, sometimes 10 pip, and most of the time it goes 25 pip in my favor. I come and sit on a break even. And then if it goes against me, SL hit at no loss at break even, right? So let me show you what happened to this one. So this was the first one. Then the second one was this one, Pound Aussie, right? So Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie both were making short setup, nice and clean. But now this move, they both started to drop first, right? So early, before these setups, I took both pairs, short trade from the small time frame, 7 time frame, and I got a 60 pip out of there. From Pound Aussie, and I got let's say 50 pip here. So that's 120 pip already. These down moves or in Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie. Then they start making the long short setup on 20-minute chart, which I just showed you here. This one and this one, right? So I was in those two pairs. I was already I had 120, 110 pip already in these two, right? Positive. Then this came, and now what happened? They both went bad, right? So I lost 25 pip each, 25 here and 25 on the other one. But then really what happened? Let me show you what happened after that. If they're not going down, then what? Where are they gonna go? Home? No, they're gonna go up, right? So what happened in Euro Aussie went up very fast and never gave me a setup. But Pound Aussie later on, it gave me where the heck that thing go? Okay, let me see. This one. See, this is on the 21st. This was the bad setup, right? So it didn't work out. 25 pip loss. It went up, gave me a long setup, and then I took that one and 75 pip from here to there. All right. So this one, the positive one. So far I had another one that I posted on the Telegram as well. The Euro Yen, I said it's gonna go down, making a short setup, and it did, and it went down, and I came in and sit on a break even. It took me out, and that's it. The story's ended here. Trade was taken and out on break even. Right. There was another trade that I took. I'm gonna show that I got out on break even. So 4 trades. 4 entries went bad, 2 break even, 2 full hard SL hit, total in 50 pip loss. Remember that. Then I got this one, Pound Aussie, I got 75 pip. Remember in that video I said that you make multiple entries as you go along, you see the setup, you take the trade, put your SL and move on, right? That's what I do. So total was like 7 or 8 entries, 7 entries, and 4 went bad, 2 at break even, and 2 25 pip each. SL hit, that's 50 pip loss. But the positive trades, only 3 went in my way, the positive. This one, Aussie, Pound Aussie, it went up, gave me the positive 75 pip. And before there was another pound yen on the 21st, short all the way down to 130 pip. So 75 and 130. And then there was another one, this on the 21st. This is the one, another one that went bad, at break even was this one. I took this one first, went up, came down, that's it. This entry was gone. Then second entry, 80 pips. So 4 losses, 4 bad entries. Total loss was 50 pips. 3 positive trades, one for 130, one for 75, and one for 80, total of 285. Out of 285, minus the bad one, which is 50 pips, so it's 235 pips in one day, altogether after making 7 entries. Right? And out of those 7 entries, only 3 went positive and 4 was bad. Think about it, less than 50%. But I'm still up 235 pips. And I'm not counting this one because this belongs to my son. This is not my entry. Right? So this is, the entry was like 2-3 days he held, almost 19, 20, and 21. Yeah. So the entry was on the 19th. But this is not, I'm not counting even this one, right? Only the one that I took on Friday. And 3 went positive, 1 for 75, 1 for 80, 1 for 130. Loss was 50 pips. And 235 altogether for Friday, right? So this is how it works, the system. This is called money management. If you can, properly handle the trades, even 50% goes your way and 50% SL hit, you're still positive. You cannot come out with positive. All right, so this is it for now. I'm gonna have a webinar later on at 4 o'clock. So I'll prepare for that. So bye for now and talk to you guys later. Recording.